Welcome back, everyone. It's 8:35 on this Labor Day. It's time for our word of the week. Chris has already accused me of cheating, and last week I could not remember the word, but I know it today. So we'll see if Chris remembers it. Hopefully not, because then I'll feel justified. So Andrew Tillman, as you guys know, from the Lee County Library. Thanks for being here this morning.
My pleasure.
All right. So we've got our pins.
All right.
I'm going to write this down. I got it. Okay, we're good. Now to write the definition. And it's completely opposite from what we thought it was last week. We had this huge discussion about it. Are you ready to reveal?
Yep.
The word was moot.
Yes.
And contrary to popular belief, because usually people say, well, that's a moot point, meaning that doesn't make any sense or that's not a valid point. It actually means that it's a valid point.
It's a debatable point. So like the presidential elections, we're going to have debates on moot points.
There you go. So used it we can totally use that now. It's a Democratic National Convention going on. So we'll be able to say whether or not there were moot points or not that were going on there. So thank you for setting the record straight, Andrew.
My pleasure.
And letting us know about this. So if you missed it last week, you can know that if anyone ever tells you that you made a moot point trying to be smart alecky or say that you're wrong, you can actually tell them that they're wrong in their use of that word. What do you think, Chris?
Exactly. I agree. 100%.
All right. Well, if you guys would like to know more about the Lee County Library, your website.
www.leecountylibrary.org.
There you go. All right. Well, we're going to be back in just a little bit talking about the word of the week for this week that you guys can all use on this Labor Day. Chris, first, you want to tell us about some Labor Day weather?
I sure will. As we